Have you ever heard the saying, you're the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with? Think about it. Your friends' quirks, their habits, their love for extra spicy hot sauce, it all rubs off on you. Imagine if they were also incredibly smart. The impact would be huge. This is what we're diving into today. Why surrounding yourself with intelligent, driven people is the cheat code to leveling up in life. Okay, we all know that being around people who inspire us feels great. But did you know it actually improves your skills and knowledge over time? These people challenge you, open up new ideas, and yes, maybe make you read 1 or 2 books you'd normally ignore. Just as iron sharpens iron, intelligent friends shape you into a sharper version of yourself. Surrounding yourself with intelligent individuals is crucial for personal growth and development. Engaging with people who challenge your thinking and inspire you to reach new heights can significantly enhance your knowledge and skills. The idea that you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with underscores this importance. The traits, habits, and mindsets of those around you can profoundly influence your own. By choosing to associate with intelligent, driven individuals, you create an environment that fosters learning and motivation, pushing you to elevate your own standards. This concept encourages you to evaluate your current relationships and consider how they impact your aspirations. To cultivate a network of like-minded individuals, start by seeking out communities or groups that align with your interests and goals, whether through professional organizations, social media platforms, or local events. Attend workshops, seminars, or networking events where you can meet people who share your passions. Additionally, don't hesitate to reach out to mentors or thought leaders in your field. Their insights can be invaluable. By intentionally surrounding yourself with intelligent individuals, you set the stage for continuous growth and success in your personal and professional life. Let's talk science. The average of 5 rule, popularized by motivational speaker Jim Rohn, suggests that the people closest to you have a huge influence on who you become. Think of it as an invisible force pushing you in a certain direction. Surround yourself with high-energy, motivated people, and you'll probably end up more motivated too. Hang out with couch potatoes, and well, pass the chips. But seriously, studies show that who you're around affects your habits, your mindset, and your beliefs. It's like peer pressure, but with higher stakes. So let's make that influence positive by choosing people who make us better. Building meaningful connections in these settings is crucial, as they often lead to new opportunities and collaborations. When you surround yourself with high-value individuals, you create a supportive network that encourages you to strive for excellence. Remember, the relationships you cultivate can open doors to experiences and insights that significantly enhance your personal and professional journey. By taking these initial steps, you position yourself to become a high-value individual, ready to seize opportunities and make a lasting impact in your chosen field. Finding these brainy friends isn't as hard as it sounds. You don't have to hang around a science lab waiting for Einstein lookalikes to pop out. Here's what you can do. Professional communities. Join an industry-specific organization. Whether it's marketing, tech, or basket weaving, find your crowd. These are places filled with driven people who might even become mentors. Online platforms. Ever scrolled through LinkedIn? Yeah, it's not just job hunting central. It's a goldmine for networking. Comment, engage, and join groups where thought-provoking discussions happen. Events and workshops. Look for local seminars or workshops. You'd be surprised how many motivated, interesting people you can meet by actually leaving the house. This active involvement can lead to valuable networking opportunities, mentorship, and even career advancements. Additionally, being part of a professional organization can provide access to resources, training, and industry insights that are instrumental in staying ahead in your field. Ultimately, joining such organizations empowers you to grow both personally and professionally while contributing to a collective mission that drives positive change. Millionaires can deepen your understanding of industry trends and best practices, equipping you with valuable information to apply in your own work. Overall, attending these events not only enhances your learning experience, but also empowers you to build a robust network of professionals who can support and inspire you on your journey. You might be thinking, a book club? Really? But hear me out. Book clubs aren't just for discussing literary metaphors, they're breeding grounds for intellectual friendships. They bring together people who love analyzing and debating ideas. Each member adds a new perspective. You'll learn to see things differently, which is incredible for personal growth. And let's be real, discussing characters and plots can be ridiculously fun. Plus, a lot of book club members form close bonds, and some even continue to support each other in other aspects of life, well beyond books. Joining a book club can significantly enhance your intellectual connections by fostering a community of individuals who share a passion for literature. These clubs bring together people from various backgrounds, creating an inclusive environment where members can explore different genres and authors. The discussions that arise from reading the same book often lead to stimulating conversations, as diverse perspectives enrich the dialogue. Each member brings their unique interpretations and insights, prompting deeper analysis and understanding of the material. This exchange of ideas not only broadens your literary horizons, but also encourages critical thinking and reflection. Engaging in debates about themes, characters, and narratives can challenge your viewpoints and inspire personal growth. Moreover, the camaraderie developed within a book club can lead to lasting friendships, as members bond over their shared love of reading. This supportive atmosphere nurtures a culture of learning, where individuals feel comfortable expressing their thoughts and exploring new concepts. Ultimately, joining a book club is not just about reading, it's about cultivating meaningful intellectual connections that promote personal development and a lifelong appreciation for literature. Through shared insights and lively discussions, members can enhance their understanding of the world and each other. Joining a debate team might sound intense, but it's one of the best ways to sharpen your critical thinking and speaking skills. Plus, you learn to appreciate opposing viewpoints, something we all could use a bit more of these days. Debate clubs are filled with intelligent, articulate people who won't shy away from a good argument. They'll challenge your views, force you to defend your stance, and in the end, make you a better thinker and communicator. And guess what? You'll also make friends who love debating as much as you do. And trust me, those friendships are built to last. This practice not only sharpens your reasoning abilities, but also fosters an environment where differing opinions are valued and discussed respectfully. Additionally, participating in debates can lead to substantial personal growth. As you confront challenging topics and defend your positions, you develop resilience and confidence in your abilities. Moreover, the connections formed within a debate team can be profound. Working closely with peers who share a passion for intellectual engagement often leads to lasting friendships and a supportive network. These relationships can provide encouragement and motivation as you navigate your academic and professional journey. Furthermore, engaging in meaningful conversations with intellectual peers allows you to expand your horizons and gain new insights. Ultimately, joining a debate team or club not only enhances your communication skills, but also enriches your understanding of diverse perspectives, preparing you for success in various aspects of life. Volunteering doesn't just give back to the community, it connects you with compassionate, like-minded people. In volunteer work, you'll meet people driven not by money, but by a shared purpose, and that kind of connection is invaluable. While working together to make a difference, you build real friendships. Plus, many community leaders and professionals are involved in volunteer efforts, meaning there are networking opportunities you'd never expect. You end up with a circle that's not only smart, but genuinely kind. Surrounding yourself with empathetic individuals not only enhances your social network, but also enriches your perspective on life, as you learn from their experiences and insights. Additionally, volunteering can open doors to new opportunities and collaborations, as you meet professionals and community leaders who are passionate about their work. By encouraging viewers to find purpose through community service, you highlight the importance of engaging with others in a meaningful way. Ultimately, volunteering not only benefits those you help, but also connects you with intelligent, compassionate individuals who can positively influence your personal and professional journey. LinkedIn. and success. Following industry thought leaders on social media isn't about idolizing them, it's about learning from them. These people have years of experience and they're sharing tips and insights for free. Just make sure to follow credible sources. You don't want your guru to be someone selling miracle potions. Interacting with their content can also help you engage with a community of other ambitious followers. You never know who you might meet or what idea could spark a breakthrough. This discernment helps you stay informed and make better decisions in your personal and professional endeavors. Additionally, following thought leaders can lead to the potential for online friendships and knowledge sharing. Engaging with their posts and participating in discussions can connect you with like-minded individuals who share your interests and aspirations. These interactions can foster a sense of community and collaboration, opening doors to new opportunities and partnerships. Ultimately, following thought leaders on social media not only enriches your knowledge, but also helps you build a supportive network that encourages growth and innovation. So if you're looking to grow personally and professionally, surround yourself with smart, driven, and compassionate people. We covered tons of ways to do this. Join organizations, go to seminars, volunteer, start a book club, connect on LinkedIn, and follow thought leaders. These relationships will push you to become a better version of yourself. Remember, you're not just meeting people, you're building a network, and that network can open doors you never thought possible. So go out, meet people who inspire you, and start building a brighter future. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Join us next time as we continue exploring more ways to grow, connect, and make an impact. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.